What's up YouTube, Michael here, coming to you with another video. If you're having problems exiting the page or exiting the book into the library of your Kindle device, look no farther, we got you covered. Let's get started. The first thing I should mention is that there isn't any way to close the book in the sense of telling the Kindle you're no longer reading it. What you're essentially doing right now is exiting the book. So how do we do it? So while we're reading a certain book, the upper third part of the screen is responsible for giving you the menu. So when you're reading and you want to kind of exit the book, you have to press on the top, and then you have that quick menu, so we just go back to home. And that's gonna get you back to your library. Now we can simply go back, find another book, and the same thing, you can go to the next page, go back, you can slide back and right. However, the upper part is responsible for the menu. So when you press on the top and you press home, you're actually exiting that book. Now, something to mention is that the book will be saved, so whatever page you've left in, the Kindle will remember that, and whenever you come back to that book, it's gonna resume from where you left it. So that's about it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If it helped you in any way, please subscribe or like the video. Have a great day. Take care.